We're going vending machine hunting. No. Woo. Pack of Phantasmal Flames, pack of Mega Evolution, a Mega Evolution ETB. Okay. Ah.
Oh, wait.
No.
That was the Charizard. Alright, you know what? I tried.
He's throwing all of his cards all over me. But you're bending the cards. Thank God, because nothing. Promo. Pack battle.
Alright, I'm on my last one.
No. Oh. Oh shoot!
Oh!
Rare candy and a Steelix. I did not have a hit and both the boys did, so this is my chance to redeem myself. And okay! I'm trying to pull a full art this round and bring home the win. And oh, Mega Gardevoir EX. Buns.